Good afternoon, YouTubers. I wanted to do a quick video on an easy start by Micro Air. I'm doing this because I couldn't find any videos on a two-stage and how to go about installing it. Although I did contact Micro Air about the installation of my Easy Start on a Trane 2-ton heat pump XL16i. They provided the information and it was correct. However, as a homeowner, it was a little intimidating because like the other videos online, they're all single stage units. So I figured I would create this video kind of illustrating what I had to do. The first thing I had to do was disconnect the start relay and the start capacitor and the start relay. 3 wires, and then I taped them up and just kind of taped them up here. This particular unit has a run capacitor and a fan capacitor. So I assume that the HVC tech, air conditioned tech, didn't have a dual capacitor, so he just split them up. That's the reason why I have 2 up here. Other than that, disconnecting these 2 components, 3 wires, taped them up, placed them to the side, and then proceeded with the Easy Start install, just like most of the videos online. And then fired it up. Works perfectly. And after 5 learning processes, it's drawing 19 amps on inrush and settles back down to 7.2 amps in second stage. First stage is about 5.2 amps. Remember, this is a 2-ton unit. I did this to try and increase the life of the compressor, and I do have a generator. So that's it. Hope this information is helpful, and thank you.